So today we are doing a rear diff center in a 2013 RG Colorado, Holden, Colorado. We already got it out. The carrier bearings were absolutely rooted, which caused the crown wheel and pinion to rub in the incorrect way, causing lots of shrapnel. So this was a few wipes from the inside, and as you can see, it's just absolutely filled, and there's just chunks in there. So we're replacing it with a 2015 manual RG Colorado center, which is much tighter, much better nick. At the moment we're just cleaning all the shrapnel out of there to get it good. After removing the axle shafts, we noticed that the previous owner has absolutely filled this area with like a sealant, like a gasket sealant. So before we put anything back together, we're gonna have to clean that out. This is the new one, and this is the old one. The new one has no play in it. It's solid as, and then this is the old one. We got heaps of play. So what's actually happened is the bearings that go through here have collapsed, and it's caused these teeth to misalign onto the pinion and absolutely chop it out. we didn't have a gasket, so we put a big thick bead of gasket sealant around it. What we're doing now is we're just going to let it sit for 5 minutes to let it build up a bit of a thick gap in between the center and the housing. Then once after about 5-10 minutes, we're going to zap it all up, put the axle shafts in, fill it up with oil, and then test drive it and see how it goes. So it's been about 5 minutes. Sealant's dried up a bit, so we're going to put the shafts in, and then we're going to tighten up the center. So, axles are in, center's in, tail shaft is bolted up, everything's torqued down. Just got to put oil in it now, put the wheels on, adjust the brakes, test drive it. Pretty confident it's going to be awesome. So, yeah, you can watch the time lapse of us doing all that. Filled the diff up, adjusted the brakes. We're going to drop it down and take it for a road test. See if we can hear any funny noises or see if everything's working perfectly. And after that, we'll wrap it up and that'll be it. Job's all complete. Just came back from the road test and everything is mint. No noise, no chatter, no backlash. Perfect. Couldn't ask for a better job done. Thanks for watching, and do the thing.